Hey everyone, Patrick here with Number One Contractors, and this is an application called Higgsfield. You probably have heard of it. It's pretty popular. It's really great for creating ads. So if we go to video in here, a client just sent me a picture of, and you can see I was using it to create this image for us as Number One Contractors. So very similarly, what we can do is if a client just sent me a picture, I can just upload that picture, right? And this is working really well as far as like creating a lot of creatives and making it where you keep a low cost per lead. So if we just type in Hicks pick, I just saved it as, there we go there. And you can see it's his guys driving this post into the ground for their fence company. Then I could go to their website and then I can take, this image here, right? Save the image as Hicks logo, click save, go back to the tool here, click end frame and upload Hicks logo. Right now I can just prompt it and I can say, make this picture into a short video showing the guys driving fence posts into the ground with the machine and working, and the video with the logo doing or with unique effects. And then click generate, and then it'll process. But we are doing this for a lot of our clients right now, which is working really well. It's just creating tons of these. You can also, in another video, I'll upload this one creative into Claude, and then Claude will automatically create a bunch of different images and videos, and then you can take all those and run them all as ads. Really, what the idea is that, Facebook's going to automatically push out into the marketplace. As far as targeting goes, somebody asked a question about that. Facebook is really going to these days just push whatever the winning creative, whatever the best picture or video that you're running as an ad, it's going to keep pushing that out. And then from there, you can just duplicate that and then create more ads and so on and so forth. But the main thing here is that you want to create as many videos and pictures as possible. And with AI right now, there's a really unique opportunity to do that for your contracting company. Like you can create tons of videos and pictures and stuff like that, just like this, just like how I did right now. So then we can just take this video and then start to run it as an ad. And I'll go ahead and post this in the community. By the way, we're going to add a second call. So right now we do calls just on Wednesdays at 1 because we're having people join. By the way, this community is a couple years old. We're just now revamping it up. So we'll be doing some more calls here and adding in a second call on Mondays at 1 o'clock Eastern. So it'll be Mondays and Wednesdays. And then if you guys, whatever help that you guys need on those calls, we'll be there to assist, help you get set up with your ads. And then if needed, we can add a third call. We're going to start with that for right now. And I would highly recommend using Higgsfield and using these AI tools. I'll share with you guys like what we're using and what we're seeing is working. And I would also do your own research because right now, with just launching lots of videos and pictures and just putting as much creative out there, that's how you're going to get winning ads. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you can start to think about ads that you can run for your company. I was trying to give this a second before it created a video. It does take about a couple minutes before it creates a video for you. Okay, there we go. So there, something short and simple, just like that, right? And if we needed to make edits, if we needed to make edits, like it doesn't really look real clear, sometimes it gets a little wonky. Please, you can say, please make sure that the post is clearly being driven into the ground by the machine. You could put that in parentheses, and then from there it'll recreate the video. And but you can create tons and hundreds of these and run them all as ads. And that's where people are really cashing in on getting low cost per leads right now is with like Facebook loves to see tons of pictures being used, tons of videos being used. So you can go ahead and start to do that for yourself and your company. If you guys have any questions and you need help with anything at all, let us know in the comments and we'll see you on the calls and inside the community. We'll talk to you soon.